To all the hardworking OFWs around the world, your sacrifices matter more than words can say. Every long day, every moment away from your family, and every challenge you overcome is building a better future for your people you love. Stay strong, stay proud, and remember, you carry courage, resilience, and hope wherever you go. Your hard work inspires many, and brighter days will come. Keep going, mga kababayan ko. You are appreciated, valued, and never alone. Lagi nating tandaan, kahit gaanong hirap at sakit ang ating nararanasan. Physical, emotional, psychological, maging spiritual. Pakatatag lang tayo. Itaas natin sa Panginoon ang ating mga dalahin. I'm pretty sure God is so loving, compassionate. Hindi ka niya iiwan. Hindi niya tayo iiwan. Comment below kung paano gumalaw sa mga puso at buhay ninyo ang Panginoon kahit ang pakaramihan niyo ay me against you. It's a wonderful day. God bless everyone.